Hi Jay, I got your message about understanding the critical readings. So for these, I will go ahead and go through and show you, but um, before you do these, it's really important that you've already met with your group and decided what the topic is you're going to do for your research. That's going to guide you in what 5 articles you choose. So make sure that you meet with your group first and also do your readings. This is going to show you how to do effective research for business. All right, so once you've done that, this task is going to have you use the searching that you're going to be taught to refine your search for those articles on your topic that your group will choose together. And then you'll want to narrow it and then find at least one peer-reviewed. So altogether, there are 5 of these critical reading quizzes. One of them, at least one, should be peer-reviewed. Okay? A peer-reviewed academic article and 4 other credible, current, and relevant articles. To find out more about what that means, you'll want to do the reading on research. It goes over what that looks like and how to find those, okay? So then you'll want to read those articles and don't just skim them. You'll want to critically read them, meaning what it says up here, that instead of just quickly reading it, you want to really understand the complete article, is what this is having you practice doing. Not just reading a short section and then citing it. You want to thoroughly read it and understand the complete article. That's what critically reading would be in this case, okay? And then when you take the quiz, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You're going to tell me what that article was and give me the link to the article. Tell me whether or not it's a peer-reviewed article. And then how recently was it published and how current are its sources and content. So this is going to let us know how updated this article is. Currency meaning how current is it, okay? Reliability. So you're going to be critically thinking about these things. Is the information organized, written, and presented well? So you're going to think about all these things in terms of reliability. You're going to think about authority. Who are the authors? Do they have good credentials? Do they have PhDs? Have they been in the field a long time? Are they CPAs? Different things. What are their credentials? And then the purpose and point of view. You're just going to critically analyze each of these articles that you find and go through and answer these questions, okay? Then you'll submit the quiz. So you'll do this 5 times with critical reading 1, critical reading 2, critical reading 3, critical reading 4, and so forth, okay? And you'll go through this process for each of them. So basically, you need to first meet with your group, figure out what your topic is, then you'll go and search, find 5 articles, and be able to analyze them, think about them more critically in order to answer all these questions about it. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you would like any more help. And there's also that extra credit webinar for the library research that will also help you know great ways to find, these peer-reviewed academic articles and for credible, current, relevant articles, okay? So reach out if you have more questions, and I hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.